Wave the missus off to work. Goodbye. Gonna get up to something really filthy, dirty, filthy stuff. Now, into the kitchen. We got some carrot, onion, ginger, garlic. Boom. Some duck breasts. One wok. Some ramen in there with the water. And there's something, pan for the duck. Soon as that's boiling, bang that bad boy in there. See it there? Oh, straight in, no messing, no sweating. Get a fork, mix that up. This is your ramen here. Yeah, it's got your soup mix, everything in there. Sesame oil, the lot. Score your meat. No oil, no nothing. High heat. Bang that straight in there. The fat from the duck will cook. Don't need no oil in there. Yeah, boy. Salt and pepper straight on that bad boy. Season it up good. See how it's starting to seal now? We're sizzling, baby. Look. Oh my days, she's caramelizing nicely. Yeah, man. Duck, goose. Now, ramen nearly done. See it there? You're gonna need an egg, but not just yet. We're gonna have a crispy fried egg with this. Quick little snack. The missus is gone. She pregnant, so she don't want to smell no meat. Flip that. Yeah, man. Oh my days, look at it. It's beautiful. It's stunning. Ramen done. Duck cooking nicely. Now, seal the sides. See it there? Yeah, man. Take it out, rest it. 10 minutes. Oil, egg, ramen. Egg in there. Boom. See it there? Crispy. Hot oil. Induction vibes. Salt and pepper. Cause there ain't no reasoning. Everything needs seasoning. Ramen into the bowl. Lovely bowl. Mrs. bought that. Legend. Now, once your duck's rested, give it a little slice. Give it a tap. Look at that. Beautiful stuff. Crispy egg. Let all the fat drain off. Bang your duck on there. Bang your egg on there. 2 chive turkey. Yeah, man. And that's it. Easy. Quick. Tasty. Nutritious. Not too fatty. Just good for ya. Look at that skin, bro. Look how the fat's rendered down. Thanks for watching, you absolute legend. Ha!